In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can email tasks into ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, open one of your projects and select one of your tasks. On the right side of your task, you should see this icon right here, or the ellipsis. So click right there, and then you should see the option from the drop-down menu to send an email to task. By clicking right here, click on copy. Now, you can use this to send attachments to this task through email. So let's have an example. Go to your Gmail or to any email and then compose a new one. Then on the address, type in the link that you just copied earlier. Then let's put in a subject and then a description. Then let's send it. After that, let's go back to our ClickUp. Let's refresh it. And then we should see an attachment right there on the task that we just emailed on. So give it a few seconds. Open the task again. So you can see right here. Once we scroll down, we should see right here on the comments, this is the email that we just sent earlier. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.